So hi everyone, it's me Persigy again, and for today's video is another ride. So we are going somewhere kasi mag-support tayo sa ating mga kababayan na magbabasketball. And then it's our first time na mag-ride ng malayo na ganito ka kapal yung snow. So medyo scary siya kasi madulas yung daan. But then I always remind our driver, sweet lover, na mag-iingat po kasi may baby kaming kasama. And then, minsan lang po ang buhay, kaya dapat talagang mag-doble ingat. Kung ingat na, doble pa kasi may bata kaming kasama. And then, we're in the highway. Na-amaze lang ako dito sa ating nakikita na mga ah, natural resources. Natural resources. So, maganda siya kapag white yung paligid, no? So, that's it.